Hey everyone, Blake Mitchell here, and today we're unboxing the MSI Creator Z16P. Let's get right in here and take a look. And there we are, the MSI Creator Z16P. MSI says that their goal is to have tech meet aesthetic. In this piece, they choose soft corners with a macrame finish. Another way they embody their aesthetic goal is with their signature golden ratio display. The Z16P with the 16:10 golden ratio display is stunning and gives you a few more pixels of workable space for creative productivity. You'll receive a quality True Pixel, True Color, QHD Plus resolution touchscreen. It also pairs perfectly with the MSI pen so you can design, draw, and write with a precise detail. The MSI Creator Z16P features a Dynaudio and DTS sound system utilizing 4 stereo speakers, perfect for editing video or jamming out to your favorite music while you work. This laptop is powered by the latest 12th gen Intel processors, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs. From designing extra-large 3D models to editing raw 8K footage, the MSI Creator Z16P now has substantially more performance capability versus previous models. Keeping this laptop cool is a state-of-the-art vapor chamber cooler. With exclusive Cooler Boost technology, the MSI Creator Z16P is able to reduce noise and temperature, optimizing performance and enabling it to utilize the i9 processors and RTX 30 series graphics in such a thin chassis. Right next to the vents on either side, you'll see the plethora of ports this laptop has to offer. I/O ports include USB-A port, a USB-C port, and an audio combo jack, and it comes equipped with a Thunderbolt 4 and an SD Express card reader. Finally, the MSI Creator Z16P is ready to work wherever you are, inspired to create with a 90 watt-hour battery, quick charging capabilities, and reliable Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. And there you have it, the MSI Creator Z16P. To learn more, click the link in the description below, and I'll see you next time.